Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below before you leave. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. Today is a different what's for dinner. It is different for two reasons. One reason being I asked you guys for your easiest favorite meals on my last what's for dinner, and I took 4 recipes and I made them in today's video. So I'm so excited to share them with you guys. And then also today is a collab with my friend from 50 Shades of Mom. She is so awesome, so you guys make sure you go check her out. She is also doing a what's for dinner today, and she is so awesome. So just make sure you go give her some love. Links to her video and her channel will be down below. And if you're coming from her channel, hello and welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. But as for today, let's hop into today's what's for dinner.
But now she's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so.
So the first meal is Cheez It Chicken. This was so easy, and it was probably my favorite recipe out of the whole week. It was so good. So all I did was spray my baking dish and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. And then I wash my chicken, and then I season it with garlic powder. And then I just crunch up some Cheez Its in a bowl, and then I also melted butter. So this is so easy. All you do is take your chicken after it's seasoned, dip it in the butter, and then dip it in the Cheez Its. And then all you're going to do is bake it, like I said, on 350 for 40 minutes. You guys, this was the easiest, best recipe. And I was telling my boss about it at work the next day, and he's like, you could totally do like the white cheddar Cheez Its or the Tabasco Cheez Its and make it like totally different. So I thought that was a great idea as well. But I just served ours with some scalloped potatoes and some cream style corn, and like I said, it was delicious.
Where you go blind, you say that I'm just.
So the next meal is actually a crock pot meal, and actually the last 3 recipes are all crock pot meals, but this is chicken tacos or salsa chicken. You guys commented this recipe so much, and I already make this, but I kind of put my own spin on it. You guys, if you make salsa chicken, add a can of chicken broth. It will make your chicken so yummy and moist and not dry. I don't know what it does, but it just changes it and it makes it so good. So literally all you do is wash your chicken, put it in your crock pot with your crock pot liner, don't forget that, and then a can of chicken broth and a jar of your favorite salsa. And then I just served ours with rice and beans, and that was it. So delicious, so good. So the next recipe, let me tell you guys something. This was a day, let me tell you. So crock pot liner, of course, a chuck roast, a pack of the Beefy Onion soup mix, a ranch packet, a stick of butter, and then I use the peppers, the peppercorns. Is that how you say it? Pepperoncinis? I'm not sure. Anyways, and then you just add that and a little bit of juice, and then I cooked mine. I put it on high to cook while I was at work. And you guys, when I got home, I was so excited to eat this. And guess what? I forgot to plug in my crock pot. I was so disappointed. I literally wanted to cry because I had such a bad day as it was. Then I came home to that, and I was so upset. But I did want to show you guys how to put that together. It's just called a Mississippi pot roast, and I'm sure it's delicious, but I didn't get to have it. So this is the last meal of the week, and this was so good. This was a tie with the Cheez It Chicken for me. So all you do is you put in your crock pot liner, and then you rinse your chicken, of course, and then you add half a jar of your favorite barbecue sauce, and then a can of pineapple, you guys. This was delicious and so easy. So all I did was I served mine, I cooked it on low while I was at work, and then I served it with green beans and then these like chicken type noodles as the side dishes, and that was it. So thank you guys so much for leaving me your favorite easy recipes. If yours wasn't included this week, leave it again in this one, and it could pop up in next week's What's for Dinner. Again, I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.